Hi guys, it's Amy with A to Z Stamping, and today I'm doing a video on the March 2018 Paper Pumpkin Kit. I just got mine in the mail, so let's take a look. It's the special 5th anniversary edition Paper Pumpkin Kit, so it looks different than the regular box. I'm excited to see what's in it. I actually happen to not see any spoilers or anything, so I don't know what's inside this one. Do you guys know that these boxes are actually really sturdy, great boxes to use for other things or to store things in? I've also seen people decorate the boxes and use them for gift boxes. So really everything that comes with the Paper Pumpkin Kits can be used. All right, so let's see what we got here. So our ink spot this month is Early Espresso. Love that. All right. And in this kit, we got a free gift. It's a gift to say thank you. And it looks like they are little, are they wood pieces? Let's see, I need to cut them open to see. It doesn't say what it is. I think they feel like wood though. Let me cut them open here and take a peek. Let's see. So this doesn't go with the kit. This was just a special gift they gave us as part of the 5-year anniversary. Yep, they're little, well, yep, they're little wood pieces. Oh, these are cute. So they're just extra things to use on cards and stuff like that. Aren't those pretty? And see, they just pop right out. So that's lots of fun to use there. All right, so now my pieces are falling out. All right, so that's that. I'm gonna set that aside. All right, the stamp set that came here, we've got a happy birthday, a happy Mother's Day, may good things grow all year long. There's a hello. Oh, I like that hello. That's fun. And what a beautiful friendship we've grown. And then we've got this flower and this leaf, so that's good. But it's always nice to have Mother's Day sentiments. And let's go ahead and pull this out. And the kit this month is called May Good Things Grow. May Good Things Grow. Okay, that's sweet. Oh, these are pretty. They look like elegant cards. It says it contains supplies for 8 cards and 8 envelopes. So if you've been thinking about doing Paper Pumpkin, every month you get a box just like that, and it comes in a kit just like this, along with 1 ink spot and 1 stamp set. Sometimes there's 2 ink spots. They don't ever repeat a color in a 12-month period of time. I've never seen them do that. So it's a good way to collect up a bunch of ink colors. And ink spots are really nice. I don't want to open up this one. Let's see, is this one open already? This one's not open yet either, but ink spots are really nice because they don't take up a lot of room. You can still ink up your stamps really easily and stamp whatever project. And I heard a lot of people who have the new Stamparatus are liking using the ink spots instead of the regular ink pads just because it's a little bit less messy. So ink spots are nice to get. And there are a few ink spots I think you can get in the 2018 Occasions catalog, but typically you can't buy ink spots. The Paper Pumpkin Kits are the only way to get them. The other nice thing about Paper Pumpkin Kits is if you are a subscriber, so not only do you get the full kit every month, that includes everything you need, even the adhesive and everything. You don't need to provide scissors, anything. So they're fun to take on the go or to work on away from home. But if you're already a subscriber, they offer refill kits each month. And so if you order the refill kit, you basically get this whole section again. You just won't get the stamp set and the ink spot again. So that's really nice. If you really love the project, you can make more of them. And the refills are only available to people who already subscribe to Paper Pumpkin. All right, so let's go ahead and open this kit and see what it's all about. I think they've heard a lot of you guys too, how you prefer the card kits. So lately we've been seeing a lot more card kits rather than project kits for Paper Pumpkin. All right, so let's go ahead and grab that top sheet. So I always like to flip it over to the back side, which it shows you everything that's included if you like to go through and make sure you got everything. And then it also always tells you the coordinating colors. So if you want to change up what came in the kit, you can. So this one tells us crumb cake, early espresso, flirty flamingo, fresh fig, powder pink, and soft suede are the colors that are used. And then on the inside, it's always your directions. And I've noticed lately they've added this little ruler on the bottom, which is nice for whenever you're using some kind of twine to measure it out. So it looks like here there are 8 steps total, and they have you do all the cards at one time. The steps are always pretty simple to do, so I'm going to, we'll look real quick at what all we have, and then I'm going to see about putting these together. So again, it said 8 cards and 8 envelopes, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm seeing a lot more than 8 right here, so I don't know if some of these are envelopes. Let's take a look and see, because it's hard to tell from the picture. Okay, so we do have some baker's twine, lots of embellishments, which I love that. Brads. We haven't seen brads forever, so that's fun. I'm hoping to see brads in the new annual catalog or something along those lines because I miss things like that. So we have 4 of these. which are really pretty. These crumb cake with the roses stamped on it. And 4 of these. Okay. And then lots of ribbon here. This is that, what must this be? This must be fresh fig ribbon. All right. Okay, I see now. So these right here are actually envelopes. The back side of the envelope. Isn't that so pretty? So 1, 2, 3, 4 with the flowers on it, and 4 with the like the script writing. Oh, I love those. Okay, I get it. I had heard some people talking about how they were making the envelopes into cards themselves. Now I see what they're talking about because it has this pretty design on it. Okay, that's fun. And then these must be our card bases. So 4 in the fresh fig and 4 in the crumb cake. All right, and then this is all of the embellishments that go on the cards. Look at all these dimensionals we got. Holy cow. That is really cool. I love dimensionals. And you see everything just pops right out. All right, so I'm going to take a look at putting this kit together, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back with the finished project, and these are so pretty. So this did take a little bit longer to do than the average kit does, but it was totally worth it. So let me show you. So for the envelopes, this is what one of the envelopes looks like. Isn't it so pretty? And you can stamp whatever sentiments you want on each one. Don't feel like you have to do with what they say. And then on the back, see how we created this? We put these brads, and then you will just wrap. Once you put your card inside, you'll wrap the little baker's twine around to close it. Isn't that so cute? So we have 4 of these, and I did all of mine, happy birthday. And they'll go along with these 4 that are all exactly the same, that say, may good things grow all year long. So I'll have these 4 birthday cards. And then this one looks like this. And I did 2 hello and 2 happy Mother's Day because I know I'm going to use these for Mother's Day. They're so cute, the envelopes. And same thing on the back to close them up, see? And these are the card that's going to go in it. Although I'm going to change out one of them for the Mother's Day one. But they say, what a beautiful friendship we've grown. And right now they're all the same. But I'm going to change my sentiment out on a couple of these so I can use these for Mother's Day. But aren't those so sweet? These are so pretty. So anyway, that is the March 2018 Paper Pumpkin Kit. And remember, if you want to subscribe to Paper Pumpkin, right now they're running a 50% off deal if this is your first time subscribing on your first 2 months. So that's a great deal. And you need to use the code to get the 50% off. So find that on my blog, a2zstamping.com. And also, while celebration is going on, so through March 31st, if you buy a prepaid subscription, 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months, you also can earn celebration items. So anyway, as you can see, Paper Pumpkin Kits are a lot of fun. It's a great time to sign up. I hope you found this video helpful and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks, guys. Bye.